pallet wood. There are tons of videos on different uses for pallet wood, and today I'm going to show you another use for pallet wood. I have these pallets over here, and I'm gathering quite a few with them because I want to make a chicken hutch, just like a rabbit hutch. Right now I have a chicken coop and I have a few extra chickens. We happened to lose one today that I had for 6 years. But what I did with this pallet wood, we had a storm a while back. Some of the branches on this tree came down, and real quick, just to give you an idea, I used this pallet wood. These are the runners on the bottom. I cut in half, the slats to brace it up, and a piece of that tree that came down. I made an extra perch for the coop that I have. The coop that I have is just right for the amount of chickens, and I have 2 young ones, and the older ones won't let them up on the perch at night. So I wanted to make a perch that I can pull out when the coop is open and the hens aren't in there, or if I have to clean it. And I came up with this idea. Took just a couple of minutes to cut a couple of pieces of wood. Nothing exotic, but it's another use for the pallets. You can also make a larger version of this to make a sawhorse for when you're cutting firewood. Let's go see how the hens take to their new perch. Come on, John, let's get them in. See, up on the coop, those are the younger birds. I have a small series on them. They belong in another coop, but they like going up on that roof at night. Sometimes it's a job getting them all down. Tonight looks like it's going to be a job. Then we got this girl over here. This is one of the hens. We're putting, no, I'll get her down there. We put her in with the older birds, and she does well with them now. Just that during feeding time, they'll all eat well together, but but after feeding, then it gets a little dicey. Okay. Where's the other one, John?
The other one? All the way up there.
Oh, she went up on the roof today?
Yep. Nick Jr. went right up on that.
Okay, she's up there. I'm going to have to get the other one down. Well, I'm going to put this in here. Now, today I cleaned out the nesting boxes, and I have to get them back in there with some more straw in there. But I'm going to put this in so Johnny can get that hen up on there. We'll do it this way, John. We'll do it like this. Okay. Oh. Now, this is funny. She heard me talking and she came down on her own. These 2 birds will actually fly across the yard onto my shoulder. They're becoming more of pets. It's a good thing for them too, because we haven't gotten any eggs from them yet. Okay, John. Yeah, put them on a perch.
Okay.
See how she likes her new perch. The other guys won't be picking on her.
Oh. It's okay, baby.
Okay, there she goes. See? Now here comes the other one. Come on, sweetie, let's go. You didn't even have to call her. She would have just walked in by herself. Okay, get her up on there. Okay. These 2 have a perch of their own. See how they take to it. That might be a little thick. The perch might be a little thick in diameter. The other branches I had were very thin or even thicker. Oh, there's some food left in there. That means they didn't get their share today, John. Okay, no, leave them. They can get it. Because the other ones are leaving them alone. Okay. All right. And you can see how I made this. Well, I don't know if you can see it in the dark over here. I have a couple of videos on this coop. And this coop now is about 3 years old. Going on 4 years old. And these guys go in early. The older they get, the earlier they go in. Kind of like people. Well, I have to get the other nest back in here. Get some fresh hay in there. Get these other guys down. They're up here someplace. I'm holding the camera up. I don't know if you can see them. Have to get them down, get them in. But again, this video today is on another use for pallet wood. By the way, this coop is made with a dog pen and pallet wood. There's a video on that up in the link if you care to see that one. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, found it useful, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give it a like, and if you haven't done so, ring that bell not to miss my videos as I upload them. And as always, everyone, stay safe. Come on, girls, get in there. Get in there. Oh, they're going for the grain.